now we're at about 30 miles into a brand new set of Dunlop RoadSport 2. The first 30 miles have been pretty good. The tires are very neutral feeling. Now that I'm in the twisty section of the road, I figured I'd dial it up a little and see how good these things stick. And I gotta say, they feel great, right? Right up until the crash. So that wasn't too bad. A little bit slower than I normally take it. I don't have a knee down right now. I'm just cruising through here, maybe at about 70%. But yeah, these tires really do feel good. That was a good little test right there. Awesome confidence builder in the tires. I can understand what all the hype is on these tires. These things feel great. At $215 for a set, yeah, I could see me running these again. It's about $50 less than what the Bridgestone S22s are. About $300 less than a decent set of Pirellis. And let me tell you, there are no shortage of Floridians out here on the road today. This road is 55 miles an hour. We can't even attempt to go, we're going 34. We'll be at 30 by the next turn. But this genius is Florida grown. But like they say, any state that has a Polk County has inbreeders. There are no shortage of inbreeders in Polk County, Lakeland, Florida. So here's the beaver dam.